Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to read delete messages on WhatsApp. So let's get started our video. First of all, before starting our video, I want to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. First of all, we open WhatsApp. After open WhatsApp, here you can see this is my friend. I open it, and here you can see these messages are deleted, but you cannot read these messages, delete messages. So I'm gonna show you how can you read these delete messages very easily. So let's get started our video. Guys, please stay watching carefully. If you miss any step, you don't understand anything. First of all, open your Play Store. Guys, after open your Play Store, then search on Notisave. Just search on Notisave, and after search on Notisave, here you can see this icon. That means these apps you need to download, and I install it before, so I don't need it now. After complete install, and then open Notisave. And guys, after open Notisave, it may be needed few moments. Wait here and look at this, and then tap on next option, and again tap next, and after that allow it. And guys, after allow it, then tap on next, and then turn on Notisave here. Now let's back, and it's need to warning you, then accept it, and then let's back, then allow it again, and loading app list. Wait here, it make 100%, and then next. And guys, here you can see everything is allow here. You can make it right that or not. So let's back, and then allow it. Okay, let's back again, and now next. Here you can see WhatsApp is here, and after complete setup, then if anyone sent you messages on WhatsApp, so it's save on Notisave. And if anyone delete after install Notisave, anyone delete messages like that, you can read from Notisave. So if anyone delete messages here, you can read from Notisave. So in this way you can read delete messages on WhatsApp from Notisave very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.